Hi everyone, welcome back to Solder and Solve. Today we have a faulty Walton fan regulator. We have to test it, and testing it there is no light glowing. It is open circuit, so we have to test it. Volt difference in the multimeter display. The bulb is dimming perfectly, so our repair is successful. First, I connect it with a series of light bulbs to avoid the short circuit connection and test it. If it works properly, the light will glow up, and also I have to connect a multimeter to set on an 600 voltage, and I connect it properly. Then I turn it on and connect with direct DC current, and testing it there is no light glowing. It is open circuit, so we have to test it. And then let's open it up. Opening it, so we can see we found the culprit. Look at this burn TRIAC on the PCB. This damage is why the regulator cannot control the voltage properly anymore. We are replacing with a new BT136 TRIAC. So you can see the picture how it burned and what was its wire connect. Before we solder, and we have to clean it up, the soldering part of PCB. I clean the soldering part, and now I am soldering this 3-pin out with the correct configuration of this TRIAC. Remember, this TRIAC number is BT136. After soldering, it is important to clean the PCB. I am using a brush and a cleaning solution to remove the flux residue. This prevents the correction and gives the repair as a professional look. Then, with the repair completes, let's put the PCB back into its housing, secure the wire, and tighten the nut on the control knob. Everything needs to be perfectly aligned before we do our final safety test. Time for the final test now. I am connecting this wire with the series line and set up a multimeter mode in 600 AC voltage and connect it with the series line. Then I connect it with direct 220 alternative voltage, and you can see the light is glowing up, and you can also notice the 14 volt and 220 volt difference in the multimeter display. The bulb is dimming perfectly, so our repair is successful. This video helped to understand how to fix a fan regulator. Give it a thumbs up and like, subscribe to Solder and Solve for more electronic repair guides. See you the next project. Bye bye.